Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Tesla Cybertruck versus the Volvo XC90. We'll explore how these two distinct vehicles stack up against each other. The Cybertruck, with its futuristic design and electric powertrain, represents a bold new direction. In contrast, the XC90 offers a more traditional luxury SUV experience, focusing on comfort and safety. Let's dive into the specifics to help you decide which one might be better for your needs. When it comes to performance, the Cybertruck delivers incredible power and range, making it suitable for demanding tasks and long journeys. Its electric powertrain provides instant torque and quick acceleration. The XC90, especially the Recharge model, offers a blend of gasoline and electric power, providing good fuel efficiency and a comfortable ride. While not a truck, its all-wheel drive system handles various road conditions well. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this deep dive, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more content. Quick recommendation: just like these vehicles are built for different purposes, you need the right tools for your daily life. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers, perfect for keeping your healthy meals fresh on the go. You can find the link to these and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Inside, the Cybertruck presents a stark, modern aesthetic, prioritizing functionality and digital integration. It offers ample space, especially in the bed. The XC90, however, focuses on refined comfort and Scandinavian luxury, with high-quality finishes and ergonomic design. Volvo is renowned for its safety innovations, and the XC90 continues this tradition with comprehensive protection features. Both vehicles aim to keep occupants safe with cutting-edge technology.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.